Namaste. In this learning dialogue, I will be detailing the grading policy and schedule of graded activities in this course. There are going to be 6 graded activities: knowledge quizzes, assimilation quizzes, reflection quizzes, resource creation assignments, lab assignments, and a final summative assessment. The name given to each of these would be enough to give you hints about what each of these are for. All these 6 activities will together provide you the 100% of your total score in this FDP. Now let us look at the individual components contribution to this total score. So first is the knowledge quizzes. These quizzes are provided to assess the knowledge that you gained by learning the content. This will contribute to 30% of your total score. Next are the assimilation quizzes, that are again assessment for assimilation of learning extension resources that we have released every week. This will contribute to 10% of your total score. The third are the reflection quizzes based on the learning experience interactions that happen in the discussion forum. This will contribute to 10% of your total grade. Now next are the resource creation assignments, where you will be creating resources using the ICT applications. One difference in this assignment is that these will be peer review. I will be detailing the process of peer assessment in an upcoming learning dialogue. The resource creation assignments will contribute to 15% of your total score. The lab assignments, which will be released on the day of synchronous interactions, will contribute to another 10% in this total score. The summative assessment, which will be released in the final week, will contribute to the remaining 25% of your total score. You can consider these summative assessment as a final exam for the course. Now, if you carefully look at these assessment activities, you will see that KQs correspond to the basic content, AQs correspond to the additional resources, RQs correspond to your interaction with peers, and RCAs correspond to the application of your knowledge. Together, these will form a comprehensive weekly assessment of your course activities. From the first week onwards, you will have 5 such weekly assessments releasing along with regular course content. You will be provided with 10 days to complete these comprehensive assessment activity. For example, if the graded activity is released on August 3, the due date for submission will be 13th of August. The lab assignments, which are graded activities released during the synchronous interaction day, will have to be completed on that day itself. Only for that final summative assessment or essay, you will have to complete in 1 week, that is the final week of the course. Please note that there will be no relaxation in the due dates. Now that you have understood the total grading percentage, we will now look at the pass criteria for this FDP. We have given the pass criteria as 50% of the total marks of this course. That is, the people whose total score is greater than or equal to 50% will be eligible for taking the next FDP. So I hope all of you are clear with the grading criteria for this course. This grading criteria document is provided below this video. Please go through this carefully, and in case of queries, please post them in discussion forum. Thank you.